Burn more calories and maximize your muscle engagement by adding hills to your training with the Precor Elliptical Fitness Crosstrainer, the first and still favorite elliptical of exercisers around the world. Precor Ellipticals will help you reach your goals faster by adjusting the incline of your workout. Maximize your workout and start torching calories from the comforts of home.
This is actually a video review of the Precor EFX 222 Elliptical Crosstrainer. Precor offers set the standard within innovative technologies and also product for more than 30 years, and their advanced cross-trainer machines are created along with commercial-grade elements for remarkable toughness. I acquired this Precor elliptical with no professional assembly, even though it wasn't the simplest part of the entire world to put together. It wasn't too hard both. It includes all of the resources you have to put it together, and it required a bit of more than 1 hour. As soon it's ready to go, it is a durable machine that works wonderful. It is extremely noiseless. Everybody in my loved ones loves to take turns by using it, and no one finds it too much to utilize. Precor is really a high-quality brand which provides reliable, superior quality. This is actually the type of industrial-grade machine you should discover in fitness gyms. It is really suitable for any home fitness. One small downside is how big it's available in a huge package, which was bigger than my personal sofa. Even though it is really out of the box and also assembled, it's extremely monstrous. You will definitely need to be prepared and set aside a large area for it. Overall, an excellent product. See the description to see all models.